Ricky Lambert here, ex-Southampton, Liverpool and England striker. I withdraw my consent to be governed.
I withdraw my consent to be governed.
To be governed by any corrupt,
compromised,
belligerent, criminal, Parliament
or government.
I will not comply.
I will not comply.
I will not comply.
and I will not comply.
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 I will not comply. If you agree with this message, post your own video, copy my social media icon and click on the link near this video to download a letter to write to your MP and to 10 Downing Street.
We do not consent to the wars you use to kill the poor. We do not consent to get taxes and mandatory vaccines. We